2000 Honda CR-V, and I'm having problems with the windshield washer sprayer not spraying on the window. Let's start the car and I'll show you. See, there's nothing there, but if you look at that hose up there, you'll see that it's kicking in like it's trying to spray, but it's being kinked. All right, so let's unplug that hose. This was like this, but I took it off earlier. Put it right there. I can actually grab it, so let's try to squirt it now. You can see that it's working. It's spraying water, so that's telling me the pumps are good, so it's the sprayers. I got a can of dust off because I don't have an air compressor. I'll show you what's gonna happen. I also got a welding tip cleaner. It's a file. They're little files that you can stick in the hole. So we'll try the air method first. Let's turn the car off. We don't need that on. And for these things, you want to grab them, not pull them with force, because they will snap. This one's pretty tight. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, you don't want to pull these too hard because they will snap. You want to be gentle. Twist them until they come loose. I've had these snap on me before. This one will be a little bare. Yeah, you don't want to force it. Oh, there it goes. Scared me. I thought I broke it. Okay, we'll try the air method. It's better to get a air compressor and do this. I had fixed this before. What happened was my water got low and I didn't clean the container out. I should have seen some dirt come out of this. We'll give this a try. It's the easy way out. I should have seen some junk shoot out in my hands, but I didn't. Probably gonna have to use the file. We'll give this a try first. Almost springtime. That's why my car is all socked up. There's nothing coming out. All right, so all right, we'll try the file method. This is a welding tip cleaner. They're like, I don't know how much they are, $3 to $4. You get them at Home Depot. Pull that one out. Get it off the car. Now this has two things you pinch. Or you kind of pinch and push through. Alright, so I got it off. There it goes. Alright, on this one. Just keep filing out your filing. Yes, I just blew into it. Probably catch the coronavirus from that. Put this right there. And you shoot the air through it. Both sides. Oh, you see that? Look at the gunk that came out. Ugh. I just shot out of my hands. I'm going to try to clean that again. Ouch. Just poked myself. That should work. I mean, I'm blowing through it. Put it back in. Yeah, here's the container. I might want to run the hose through that and just flush it out as best as I can. We'll pull this one off too, because just pinch it on one side and push it through. That just pops right out. Okay. Yeah, I blew through it. It's not happening. So the hole looks good on this side. Yeah, we'll keep that one out. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's a big piece. You see it? All right. I'm pretty sure that's gonna work now. I am pretty sure. That was a big piece of gunk. How does gunk like that get into the water? I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna leave that welding tip cleaner there. There we go. Now they're spraying awesome. Yeah, I'm probably gonna run the hose through that and flush it out, but I won't do that on video. I'll do that to get the gunk out of there because there's probably more gunk on the bottom. Let's see. Woohoo! Look at that. All right, it's looking great. Yeah, they were spraying like that before, but I guess when the water ran out, it got to the bottom, or the gunk just went through the, had no choice but to go through the pump and got stuck in here. I'm happy. Are you happy? Thanks for watching the Phonamana channel. I'm David Smith. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.